Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineering Stuff. Today we will see hub and authority, which is also called as Hits algorithm. So before we proceed this topic, I request you to subscribe my channel and also inform your friends. So let's start today's topic. So what is hub and authority? So as we know, website is a collection of web pages. So every web page is assigned two scores. One is called hub score and the other one is called authority score. But what is hub? So hub means what? So these are the pages that link to the authorities. For example, list of newspapers. So now what is authority? So authority means is a page that contains useful information. For example, newspaper home page. That means the home page is called the authority, and that home page contains various types of links, and that links are called as hub. Okay. So our main focus is to find the hub and authority scores. Okay. So let's take this example. So as we can see, this A, B, C, these are nothing but the web pages, and this graph is called as a wave graph. So as you can see on the diagram, there are three web pages A, B and C. Now there is a link from A to B. That means from web page A we can move to web page B as well as web page C. From this B there is only one link towards this web page A, and from this C is connected to B. That means web page C is connected to web page B. Now what you will do, your first step is to create the link matrix. Okay, since there are three web pages, so we create 3 by 3 matrix. That means L is equal to this 3 by 3 matrix. Now how to construct this matrix? So what we will do, we label these rows by this web page name. That means A, B, C, and the column names are also A, B and C. Now as we can see from this diagram, web page A is connected to B and C. So whenever there is a connection, write entry as 1. And if there is no connection, then write entry as 0. It's very simple. Now for this second row, that is for this web page B, so B is connected to only A. Hence entry is 1 and the other entries are 0. And for this C is connected only with this B, so entry is 1 and the other entries are 0. So this is very simple link matrix will constructed from this web graph. Next step, you find out the transpose of this link matrix. That is L transpose is equal to 0 1 1 becomes this column, then 1 0 0 becomes the second column, and 0 1 0 becomes the third column. So this is the step number 1, that is the creation of link matrix. Now the step number 2, initialization of hub, that is H. So now there are three web pages. So what we will do, we create a column vector consisting of three entries, that is 1 1 and 1. If there are four web pages, then these entries becomes 1 1 1 and 1. That means there are four ones. Now the step number 3, we need to perform the iterations. So it is advisable to perform 2 to 3 iterations, or the number of iterations already mentioned in the problem. So let us take the first iteration. Iteration number 1. A1 is equal to L transpose into H. So this is the formula to find out the authority. So A stand for authority. So A1 stand for, that is the iteration 1 for the authority. So A1 is equal to L transpose into H. L transpose we already calculated this, which is multiply with this initial hub. This is just a simple matrix multiplication. First row into first column, that is 1 into 1 is this 1. Then second row multiply by this column. So obviously the answer is 2. And third row column, the answer is 1. Now as we know, the entries in this hub or authority always lies between 0 to 1. So what we will do, we will scale down this matrix now. So how to scale down? Find out the maximum value from this column vector, and the maximum value is 2. So divide all these three values by 2, so that A1 is nothing but 1 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1, and 1 by 2. So this is the first iteration for the authority. Now the iteration 1 for the hub. So how to find the hub now? So H1 is nothing but L into A1. So A1 we already calculated in iteration number 1, but for the authority we need to use here L transpose. But whenever we calculate hub, we need to consider L, not L transpose. So L into A1, A1 we already calculated, that is after scale down. So this is nothing but the link matrix. Multiply by this A1, first row into this column, that means 1 into 1, 1 into 1 by 2, add these two, will get the 3 by 2. Second row into this will get the 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, and third row into this column, that is 1 into 1, will get the 1. Again we will scale down by identifying the maximum value from these three values, that is 3 by 2 be the maximum. So multiply all these three values by 2 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 is 1. Then 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3. And 1 into 2 by 3 is nothing but the 2 by 3. So this is the iteration 1 for the authority and the hub. So this is the completion of iteration 1. Similar procedure will be continue for the iteration 2. That is A2 is equal to L transpose into H1. So this H1 we already calculated for the iteration 1. So this H1 will be considered for the calculation for A2. So this is the transpose of link matrix. Multiply by this H1. After multiplication we'll get this value 1 by 3, 5 by 3 and 1. Find out the maximum value from this, which is nothing but the 5 by 3. So make this 5 by 3 entry as 1. So to get the entry as 1, multiply by 3 by 5, all these three entries. So 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 is nothing but 1 by 5. 5 by 3 into 3 by 5 is nothing but 1. And 1 into 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. So this is the iteration 2 for the authority, that is A2. This A2 we will use for the calculation of H2, that is for the iteration number 2. H2 is equal to L into A2. L be the link matrix. Don't use transpose of L. So link matrix multiply by this A2. After multiplication we will get the answer as 8 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1. Maximum value is 8 by 5. So make it this 8 by 5 as 1, so that multiply all these three values by 5 by 8. So we'll get this H2. So this completed our iteration 2. Similar procedure will be continued for the iteration number 3. So after iteration number 3, this is the answer for authority, that is A3. So this A3 we will use for the calculation of H3. L into A3 will get the answer here. Maximum value is 21 by 13. So multiply by 13 by 21 all these three values and we will get value as H3. So complete these three iterations to find out the hub and authority scores. So this is very simple way to find out the hubs and authority. Okay. Let's see example number 2. As we can see, there are 4 web pages and we need to calculate the hubs and authority for this web graph. So what will be the first step to find out the link matrix? So label these rows and columns to this web page name, that is ABCD, and this is ABCD. From this A, there is only outgoing link towards this B, hence the entry is 1. From this B, there are 2 outgoing links, that is entries B to C and B to A, hence entries are 1 and other entries are 0. From this C, there are 2 outgoing links towards this A and D, hence entry these are 1 and other 2 entries are 0. And from this D, there is only one outgoing link towards this A, hence entry is 1, other 3 entries are 0. After finding this link matrix, find out the transpose of this link matrix, that is convert rows becomes column and column becomes row. So this is very simple step. After finding this link matrix, initialize hub, that is H, that is all 4 entries are 1. Since there are 4 web pages are there. Step number 3, perform iterations. So this is iteration number 1. So A1 is equal to L transpose into H. So this is the 4 by 4 link matrix transpose. Multiply this initially hub column vector as 1 1 1 1. After multiplication, you will get answer as 3 1 1 1. Maximum value is 3. So for the scale down, divide all these 4 entries by 3, so that you will get here A1 is equal to 3 by 3 is 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Then iteration 1 to calculate hub. So hub formula is L into A1. A1 we already calculated in previous step. So this is the link matrix. Multiply by this A1. Will get the answer here 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 and 1. Maximum value is 4 by 3. To make this entry as 1, multiply by 3 by 4 all these 4 values, so that we will get H1 as 1 by 4, 1, 1 and 3 by 4. So likewise you will perform iteration 2 and iteration 3 to get your final answer. So I hope students you understood this calculation of hub and authority score. So if you like this video, then press this thumbs up button and also inform your friends. So I request you to subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, post your comments and I will provide the solution. Thank you very much.